Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Master English Fast, 10 minutes a day. Hey everyone, welcome to today's English Boost. Do you want to speak English confidently? In just 10 minutes a day, you can master English. It's easier than you think, and super fun too. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. We will cover useful phrases and speaking tips. No more translating in your head, think in English. Let's start small and grow your skills fast. Consistency is the key to fluency every day. Are you ready? Let's jump into it. Paragraph 2. First, we will learn 5 powerful phrases today. These phrases are perfect for daily conversations. Repeat after me. Say them out loud clearly. Listening and speaking together speeds up learning. Don't worry about mistakes. They are normal. I will show you examples in real life. Pause the video if you need extra practice. Confidence comes from trying every single day. Remember, 10 minutes daily is all you need. Let's make English fun and exciting together. Paragraph 3. Tip number 1. Use "How are you doing?" It's better than just saying "hello." Try it with a smile. It sounds friendly and natural. Practice it with friends, family, or even yourself. Tip number 2. Say, "I'm feeling great, thank you." It makes conversations smooth and positive. Combine these phrases to create small talks. Small talks build your fluency over time. Daily practice is more powerful than hours once a week. You are already improving. Keep going. Paragraph 4. Let's add tip number 3. Can you help me, please? It's polite and very common in real conversations. Tip number 4. I don't understand. Can you repeat? Never feel shy to ask for clarification. Tip number 5. What do you think about this? It starts interesting conversations with anyone. Use gestures and voice to make it natural. Practice these 5 tips every single day. It only takes 10 minutes, but results are huge. Fluency is closer than you think. Part 2. Practice and confidence. Paragraph 5. Now, let's practice these phrases together slowly. Say them out loud, don't rush, feel the words. I'm feeling great, thank you. Try it now. How are you doing? Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Excellent. I don't understand, can you repeat? Well done. What do you think about this? Perfect. Practice daily, 10 minutes is enough. Confidence comes when you speak without fear. Remember to like and subscribe for more lessons. Paragraph 6. Another tip for fluency. Shadowing technique. Listen to English audio and repeat at the same time. It trains your ears and improves pronunciation fast. Even 10 minutes daily gives amazing results. Use apps, YouTube, or podcasts for practice. Speak as much as you can, even alone at home. Record yourself and listen. Notice improvements. Correct small mistakes gradually. No pressure. Fluency is built step by step every day. Your voice is your power. Use it confidently. Paragraph 7. Vocabulary is the secret weapon of English mastery. Learn 3 new words every day. Use them in sentences. For example, excited, improve, and practice. Make small sentences like, I'm excited to learn English. Always say words aloud. Never just read silently. Combine words with gestures for better memory. Try to think in English, not translate from your language. 10 minutes a day builds massive vocabulary over time. Write down new words and review them daily. Consistency beats long hours of irregular practice. Paragraph 8. Listening is as important as speaking in English. Watch videos, listen to songs, follow dialogues carefully. Repeat what you hear and mimic the pronunciation. Focus on tone, stress, and natural rhythm of speech. Even 10 minutes listening per day makes a difference. Use subtitles first, then try without them gradually. Combine listening with speaking for faster fluency. Don't get frustrated if it feels difficult at first. Every day you practice, your brain adapts faster. Remember, small daily actions lead to big success. Part 3. Real-life application, paragraph 9. Let's use English in real-life situations today. Greet a neighbor. Hi, how are you doing? Ask for directions. Can you help me, please? Order food. I would like a coffee, please. At work. What do you think about this project? Practice these sentences in real situations. Confidence grows when English is used naturally. Mistakes are normal. Never fear them. Daily 10-minute practice prepares you for real life. Keep practicing and share your progress in comments. Paragraph 10. Tip. Think in English instead of translating constantly. When you wake up, describe your morning in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm drinking coffee. Small habits like this boost fluency fast. Try it for just 10 minutes. It really works. Add simple sentences about your day or plans. This trains your brain to speak naturally without pauses. Soon you will notice conversations feel easier. Daily repetition is the secret to mastery. Like and subscribe for more real English tips. Paragraph 11. Practice speaking with friends or online partners. Use apps or language exchange communities to chat. Send voice messages instead of just text messages. Listening and replying improves fluency faster. Even 10 minutes a day creates real progress. Share your phrases. I'm feeling great, thank you. How are you doing? Use it often in conversations. Mistakes are signs you are learning actively. Celebrate small victories. Every word counts. Keep speaking, listening, and practicing daily. Paragraph 12. Set a daily English goal for 10 minutes. It can be practicing phrases, shadowing, or new words. Short but consistent practice is more effective than hours irregularly. Track your progress every week with a simple notebook. Write new phrases, words, and examples of usage. Review them daily to remember faster. Daily practice develops confidence naturally. Even small steps accumulate into big fluency results. Remember, fluency is a journey, not a race. Subscribe and like for more daily English lessons. Part 4. Tips, motivation, and wrap-up paragraph. 13. Tip. Speak loudly, exaggerate words, and have fun. Mimic native speakers. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Confidence improves pronunciation and flow. Even 10 minutes of fun practice makes huge difference. Sing along to English songs for rhythm training. Read short stories aloud. Notice sentence patterns. Record and compare yourself week by week. Celebrate progress, no matter how small it seems. Daily 10-minute practice creates unstoppable fluency. Keep smiling and enjoy the journey of learning. Paragraph 14. Motivation is key. Remind yourself why you learn English. Better communication, more opportunities, more confidence. Set a small goal every day. Even tiny steps count. Reward yourself after completing daily 10 minutes. Positive habits lead to automatic progress over time. Consistency beats talent when applied every single day. Even busy schedules can allow 10 minutes easily. Use waiting times, short breaks, or morning routines. Keep a positive mindset. Fluency will follow naturally. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Paragraph 15. Remember, learning English is not about perfection. It's about communication, understanding, and practice. Mistakes are feedback, not failure. Embrace them. Use today's phrases and tips in your daily life. Repeat, listen, speak, and gradually you will improve. Even 10 minutes of focused effort beats nothing. Challenge yourself every day to use new phrases. Write your own sentences and read them aloud. Congratulations, you are on the path to mastery. 10 minutes a day is all it takes to transform English. Practice phrases, vocabulary, listening, and speaking daily. Mistakes are normal. Fluency grows from practice. Record yourself, track progress, and keep challenging yourself. Think in English and apply it in real-life situations. Daily habits create unstoppable improvement and confidence. Celebrate every success, no matter how small it is. Share your journey in comments and inspire others. Subscribe and like to continue mastering English fast.